Acumatica is different by design. We're built on the conviction that thriving small and mid-sized businesses are the heart of the modern digital economy, and they need tools that empower their people to innovate, collaborate, and anticipate what's next. Our vibrant community of customers, partners, and developers works to ensure our solutions address real-world needs. Over 28,000 users have submitted nearly 6,000 suggestions to advance the product. Other users vote on these ideas, so everyone has a voice, driving product development and building the future of business together. Our growth-friendly licensing, ethical business practices, and unique customer bill of rights protects businesses in an uncertain world. And our principles of innovation guide us to deliver responsible, practical, valuable solutions. Unlike other ERP vendors, Acumatica invests heavily in the application platform with semi-annual releases to ensure that the system you implement today will be the last one you will ever need. Our platform is adaptable and modular with open APIs for seamless integrations. And the best part? You don't need coding experience to customize the system to fit your business. There are no high costs and no complexities. Add unlimited users with world-class cybersecurity and 99.9% uptime. Improve collaboration with pop-up notes and our Microsoft Teams and Outlook integrations. Use native CRM to gain a 360-degree view of sales activities, customer history, and support cases with embedded document and file management. Organize everyday tasks, reports, and inquiries with personalized workspaces and a favorites list. Tailor screens, including fields, table columns, and tab stops for rapid data entry. Use universal search to quickly locate screens, records, transactions, help topics, and files. Enter data fast with type-ahead features and view related information with side panels. Get work done faster with context-sensitive menus for related tasks. Expedite employee onboarding with the always-free Acumatica University. Access help files from any screen, and document business policies and procedures with custom wikis. Empower employees to simplify activities such as expense creation with the mobile app and voice dictation. Use artificial intelligence features to capture data from receipts photographed on mobile devices. Modify business and approval workflows without coding. Create automation schedules to execute actions based on defined criteria, such as daily sales alerts, invoice processing, and more. Use business events to automate processes like lead assignments, customer shipment confirmation emails, or support case escalations. Push notifications to users for time cards, expenses, change orders, and other approvals. Leverage role-based dashboards, flexible inquiries, and business intelligence to aggregate data from multiple sources, extract actionable information, and present data visually. Organize companies and branches in the same tenant with shared master files and enable intercompany accounting transactions, reporting, and eliminations. Use Device Hub to connect printers, scanners, scales, cash registers, credit card terminals, barcode scanners, and other hardware. And easily integrate with hundreds of leading business applications from the Acumatica marketplace. The Acumatica system is designed for your unique needs. We offer choices through 4 scalable packages, from Essentials for QuickBooks graduates to Enterprise for larger organizations. Acumatica is built on a secure, extensible, and modern cloud platform, with accounting that goes beyond core financials. Drive construction efficiency for general contractors, specialty trade subcontractors, and land developers, and elevate professional services firms with project and resource management. Balance supply and demand, optimize inventory, improve warehouse operations, with apps for in-house, in-store, and online sales that include embedded CRM, and solutions for discrete and process manufacturing. Other industry leaders rely on Acumatica to streamline financials and operations, gain insights with role-based dashboards, flexible generic inquiries, and no-code reporting, and discover best practices from the Acumatica community online or in person. G2, Trust Radius, Nucleus Research, Software Reviews, and Gartner all rank Acumatica highest for usability. Hear what business leaders just like you have to say about their Acumatica experience.
Acumatica has made my life easier by having the visibility of accounts payable, accounts receivable, claims coming in, being able to build dashboards on whatever metric that I would like to see.
Everybody's on the same page. It creates an inherent culture of accountability. You can't fly under the radar. It's just the transparency and the visibility that everybody has for real-time data right now, no matter where you're at.
The best thing I can ask for when I work with software is support, of course. And Acumatica to me is what I like to say the Apple and Starbucks customer service type.
Acumatica listens, whether it's an idea or a challenge somebody's running into, and the next thing you know, it's in the next software update. I've never worked with a company that listens like that.
I would say that Acumatica is great because it's easy to learn, it's easy to use, and you can scale it up as you get more sophisticated.
Well, I think Acumatica is just such an unlimited platform that we can use to grow our business.
Adding branches, that's going to be very easy for us to do rapidly. The licensing was a big deal. Obviously having a great third party, being in the cloud, put all of those components together and we got a home run.
Acumatica has been the easiest to use that I've been involved in my accounting career.
Acumatica has given us peace of mind and it's constant. However much we're going to grow, Acumatica is going to be able to grow with us.
It becomes more and more apparent every day that our decision to choose Acumatica was the right one.
Thank you for considering us. We would be honored to partner with you and help you achieve your business objectives and growth ambitions. We look forward to welcoming you into our thriving community and acting on your feedback so that we can build the future of business together.
Dobrodošli u Acumatiku.
Bem-vindo a Acumatica. Bienvenidos a Acumatica. Benvenuti a Acumatica.
Welcome to Acumatica.